Yes guys, welcome back to our next video with River Stream. This is how to cook callaloo and saltfish. So look now. Alright guys, so this is seasoning we're gonna use. We're gonna use onion and tomato. So tomato there, tomato $700 a pound. Can't afford it. Alright, so garlic, onion, thyme, carrot, pepper, ginger, scallion and thyme. So I will cut up them upon it and season it up. And these are the artificial seasoning I will use. Jerk. That's it. So guys, and see saltfish. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, cause I'm gonna do one video on the beach side on my birthday. So stay tuned for that video there too. So me drop that will be a bigger video. So stay tuned guys and cut up them upon it quick and fast and come back to the cooking. Enough love guys. Onion. Come down. Oh, pan down. Ginger. Yes guys, I'm gonna cook without garlic and ginger. So say make your medicine be a food, your food be a medicine. You can't go wrong. Can't wrong. Which is right. River Stream style. Piece more garlic guys. Pepper now guys, and pepper yeah. Look about them talawa. Look about them talawa guys. Come back. Yes guys, for the cargo almost ready now. Trying to cook jerk cheese upon it. And I will set it on the fire so that I will see guys. This is how it look. This is how it look guys. So I touch some of this on it. Spice, give it the spice. Not enough though guys. It's up a jerk season. Yes guys, and by the way for the juice, we have the carrot over so great. I will show you in a moment. Back to this. So guys, I will soak the saltfish in some water. When I use the hot water, I use the cold water, soak it. No cold water from the fridge, but the pipe water. And soak it for a while and just take it out back and pick it up. So guys, stay tuned guys. When I see the pot on fire. Yes guys, I'm gonna throw this in the pot now. Throw it in the pot now. Throw it in the pot now guys. You know what I'm saying? Go down for the bubble. Stir it up like this guys, like the season. You know what I mean? And by the way guys, okra did upon it already. Cut up. Yeah guys, if you go look, this is the callaloo mega steam now. So you know say getting this ready for half steam. Nearly done steam. I'm showing the starfish, the oil, the butter, and I made that. When I'm done, I share my food so YouTube look pretty. So please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Nice colored one starfish. This, guys. Yes, guys, welcome back. The color of steam down now. Look on the right level, want it now. Oh, I smell it. Oh, dark over the camera. You smell it, Nicole? Yes, guys, so smell good. We'll throw in the starfish. And we'll throw in the hyla. Starfish here. Now the pot it goes, guys. In the. Yes, guys, so this is one of the best starfish and callaloo. Check it out, guys. Yes, guys, so I'm going to throw in the oil now. And this is the oil. Not that good. Throw enough callaloo. Just throw in the right amount of oil, so you know do the right thing. Alright, the butter now. Do the right thing and done. Yeah, my peeps, so wanna do the right thing and subscribe. Like the channel. Put piece. This is one stick of water, so I'm gonna put piece on. Whoops. Yes, guys. Reverse stream style. So go tell a friend to tell a friend. Whoa. Nice one. The camera should have a nose part on it. Eh? Nose that tear off. This guy, so the color with this has steam. Take a good look, guys, because when you see it back, done it done. So from me throw it in till now I did go 20 minutes. Call it about 20 minutes. Make it steam down, but now I throw in the saltfish and the oil and the butter. So make it steam a little bit more for both. Let me see. Call it about 5 minutes more or about 4 minutes, and then that's it, guys. So stay tuned. I will do the juice now. Yes, please. Yes, please. So now I do the carrot juice now. Take a look on it. Yes, please. Stir the carrot. Like this. Yes, guys. Carrot juice, this no. You know, I don't know. Do so, that's it. Yes, guys, so take a look on it. So how it look. So I'm going to put some sugar on this. Me that sharing time. So stay tuned, guys. Everstream TV, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Enough love. Yes, guys, so this is how it look. I'm sorry, I never make it see. And I need the flour, guys. Camera did dead. Same time I will make the fire, so I'm gonna make the fire burn out. You have to just make the camera charge. Knead the flour and put them in. But how I do it when I knead the flour, throw it out in the base when I knead it, you know. Throw some cornmeal upon it, throw some oats on it, throw some salt, and knead it. And throw them in the pot. This is how them look, peeps. Everybody, now them can get a flour right on the oil. Yes, peeps, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, so take the last look. As I done this done now. You know, say I share, I'm gonna share now, guys. I share with no food.